Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying connectivity and basic account status. First, make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data actually loads a web page. Unstable networks cause sync errors. Once done, disable VPN or proxy and ensure the battery is above 20% so background tasks run. Now go to Settings, open Accounts, and select the account showing sync failures. Tap Sync to view error messages and last sync time. This immediate check narrows causes, so you know whether to proceed with app-level fixes. You now perform the deeper app-level repair that most fixes require. Clear cache and then storage for Google Play Services, Google Services Framework, and the app you sync, because corrupted data blocks authentication. Once cleared, force stop those apps and reboot the phone to reset background processes. Make sure Play Store and system updates are applied. Outdated services often break sync protocols. After reboot, attempt a manual sync to see if the error cleared and to confirm the services talk to Google servers correctly. You finish by re-establishing the account connection, which resolves persistent sync tokens. Remove the account from Accounts, reboot the phone, then add the account again. This refreshes credentials and tokens. If you use two-step authentication, create an app password or confirm recent sign and prompt, because failed auth will block sync. If problems persist, back up data and consider a factory reset as a last resort. Tip: if re-adding fails, test the account on another device or web to isolate whether the account itself is blocked.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.